Welcome, this is Joshua Benoist in Autodesk Product Support. We're on video 6 of our device block creation case. We'll talk about, here's the problem statement. Pause the video if you need to. So let's go look at the problem. Okay, so we were talking about creating our content drawing where we're going to leave our symbol that we're, that we're going to create. This content drawing needs to be saved in a central location. You cannot rename it, you cannot move it after you've created the tool on the tool palette at the end. Our tool palettes remember the path all the way back to the content drawing. The path is not editable. It's something that's just remembered underneath the hood, and so if you move the drawing, if you rename it, it's not smart enough to recognize, well, this content file's been renamed or moved. It just basically breaks the path. So put some thought into it when you're saving these content files, so that they're in a at least a semi-permanent location. So if your tool breaks, it's going to say catalog content not found. So if you ever see that error message, it's probably because maybe it can't find your content. So anyway, we've saved this kind of in a central spot. Now the next step we need to do is set our annotative scale down here to 1 foot equal 1 foot. Then the next thing we need to do, it's a good habit to do this, but you don't always have to do this. I like to go into the utilities, into the drawing setup, and set this equal to 1 inch. It reminds me that I'm drawing my device to a 1 unit tall. In our case, we're in the units of inches, so we're a 1 inch tall object. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw me a square. Let's go find, let's go to Home, and then we're going to draw a square. First point, 0, 0. Next point, 1, 1. And then hit Zoom Extents. Alright, so when you draw your symbol, this needs to be kind of the bounds of your symbol. It's going to be 1 unit tall, hence 1, 1, and 1 unit long. Alright. Another way to do this, you wouldn't necessarily have to draw a rectangle. This is more for us just to visualize how big our ultimate symbol needs to be, and it gives us something to compare it to. Another way to do this, I'll draw text, and anytime you're in a 1-to-1 scale, it gives us this warning. You can always click this Do Not Show Me thing again. Specify first corner, I'm going to say 0, 0. Opposite corner, 1, 1. I am using an annotative text, but I need to change this to say 1 unit tall. And you might want to do like capital I or something. Click OK. Oh, did I not do that? Oh, I was still typing up there, wasn't I? Alright. I. There we go. Say OK. So you can see that I fits perfectly 1 unit tall inside our square. And actually, I thought I had made that a capital I, but let's see if I can't make that a capital real quick. Turn off my snap and grid. There we go. Try that again. There it is. See, that I comes out to be the same length as one side of that square. Alright, so now we've got ourselves something to compare to. We've